Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Buggy Beds bed bug glue traps, which gained significant attention after appearing on Shark Tank. If you're worried about bed bugs or simply want an early warning system, this product might be just what you need. Let's take a closer look at the Buggy Beds bed bug glue traps, a must-have for those who want peace of mind in their homes. Bed bugs can be a nightmare, especially when you realize an infestation too late. That's where these innovative glue traps come in. This product offers an easy and non-toxic way to detect bed bugs before they become a bigger problem. Each pack contains 12 traps that are perfect for monitoring your home for up to 6 months. You can place them discreetly around your house, under the bed, behind furniture, and even in drawers, to detect these pests early on. What's great about these traps is their specialized glue formula. It attracts and traps bed bugs, ants, and other insects. This means you can get peace of mind knowing that these traps will work around the clock without needing to call in an expensive pest control service right away. The traps are also completely non-toxic, which makes them safe to use around children and pets. Now, you might be wondering how to use these traps. It's simple. Place them in areas where bed bugs are most likely to hide, in the corners of your mattress, behind picture frames, or even under your sofa. Once placed, these traps start working immediately to catch any bed bugs or other insects that are moving around your home. If you do detect bed bugs, it's best to contact a professional exterminator to evaluate the situation and provide the right treatment. The compact size of each trap, measuring just 2 inches by 3 inches, makes them discreet and easy to place in almost any location. Their clear and yellow design ensures that you can easily monitor them for any bugs that get stuck. And if you're worried about the lifespan of the traps, don't be. They're designed to work effectively for up to 6 months, providing long-lasting protection and monitoring without needing a replacement. The Buggy Beds bed bug glue traps offer you a budget-friendly and non-invasive way to monitor your home for bed bugs and other pests. Plus, with their easy-to-use, discreet design, they're an ideal solution for anyone wanting to keep their home safe from these pesky invaders. So, if you want an easy solution to detect and prevent bed bug infestations, these traps are definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Stay safe and pest-free.